Welcome back to Lolosap. In today's video, we're diving into the world of herbs and spices and how incorporating certain ones into your daily diet can significantly boost your health and well-being. Not only can these herbs and spices add incredible flavors to your meals, but they also come with a variety of scientifically backed health benefits. We'll also touch on how easy it is to grow them indoors or on your balcony, so you can enjoy fresh herbs at home. So, make sure you watch until the end, so you don't miss any great information. 1. Turmeric. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Studies suggest that curcumin can help reduce inflammation, fight oxidative stress, and may even play a role in preventing chronic diseases like heart disease and Alzheimer's. Add turmeric to your smoothies, soups, or golden milk lattes. You can also sprinkle it into stir-fries or curries. Turmeric can be grown indoors in pots, provided it has warm temperatures and sufficient sunlight. 2. Ginger. Ginger is well known for its anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. It has been shown to reduce nausea, improve digestion, and potentially lower blood sugar levels. You can use ginger in teas, smoothies, and soups. It's also a great addition to stir-fries or baking recipes like gingerbread cookies. Ginger is relatively easy to grow indoors or on a balcony. Just plant a fresh piece of ginger root, and with enough sunlight, it will flourish. 3. Garlic. Garlic is packed with sulfur compounds like allicin, which have been shown to support heart health by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Some studies also suggest that garlic boosts immune function and may reduce the duration of the common cold. Add garlic to your cooking, sautéed with vegetables, in salad dressings, or even roasted as a side dish. Garlic can be grown in containers or directly in your garden. If you're planting indoors or on a balcony, just ensure you have deep enough pots and well-draining soil. 4. Cinnamon. Cinnamon, particularly Ceylon cinnamon, has been shown to lower blood sugar levels and has anti-inflammatory properties. It may also help reduce the risk of heart disease. Sprinkle cinnamon on oatmeal, yogurt, or add it to your coffee. It's also great for baking or in savory dishes like Moroccan stews. While growing cinnamon indoors can be a bit tricky, it's possible if you have the right climate and conditions, especially with plenty of sunlight and warmth. 5. Rosemary. Rosemary contains compounds that may improve memory and concentration. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food showed that rosemary has antioxidant properties and can help reduce oxidative stress. Add rosemary to roasted vegetables, meats, or soups. You can also infuse it in oils or use it to flavor bread. Rosemary thrives in pots on sunny windowsills or outdoor balconies. It's easy to care for and requires minimal maintenance. 6. Basil. Basil is rich in antioxidants and has antibacterial properties. It's also a great source of vitamin K, which is important for bone health. Additionally, basil has been linked to reducing oxidative stress and lowering blood pressure. You can add fresh basil to salads, pastas, and homemade pesto. Basil is one of the easiest herbs to grow indoors or on a balcony. It just needs sunlight and regular watering to thrive. 7. Oregano. Oregano contains powerful antioxidants and has been shown to have antibacterial properties. It's a great addition to a diet for supporting overall health. Oregano is perfect for Italian dishes like pizza and pasta. You can also use it to season meats, vegetables, or salad dressings. This herb grows well indoors, in pots, or on balconies, as long as it gets enough sunlight. 8. Thyme. Thyme is known for its antimicrobial properties and is often used to support respiratory health. Some research also suggests that thyme may have a calming effect, helping with relaxation and reducing stress. Thyme can be used in soups, stews, or as a seasoning for meats and roasted vegetables. Thyme is an easy herb to grow in small spaces, including on balconies or windowsills. 9. Mint. Mint is well known for its digestive benefits. It helps to soothe indigestion, reduce bloating, and relieve nausea. Some studies suggest that mint's menthol content can have a calming effect on the muscles in the digestive tract, improving digestion. Mint can be added to teas, smoothies, or as a garnish for salads, desserts, and cocktails. Mint grows easily in pots indoors or on a balcony. It's one of the most adaptable herbs, but it can be invasive, so it's best to keep it in a container. 10. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is an adaptogen, which means it helps the body manage stress. Scientific research has shown that ashwagandha can reduce cortisol levels, improve sleep quality, and boost mental clarity. It's also linked to improving physical endurance and muscle strength. Ashwagandha is most commonly taken as a supplement or powder, which you can add to smoothies, teas, or warm milk. Ashwagandha is a hardy plant that can be grown in warmer climates. If you live in a cooler area, you can grow it indoors in pots, as long as it gets enough light. 11. Sage. Sage is rich in antioxidants and may support brain health. Some research suggests that sage can improve memory and focus, and it has been traditionally used to support digestive and respiratory health. Sage is excellent in savory dishes such as roasted vegetables, meats, and pasta. You can also brew it into a herbal tea. Sage thrives in pots and is perfect for growing indoors or on balconies with lots of sunlight. 12. Nutmeg. Nutmeg is packed with antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. It has been used in traditional medicine to improve digestion, support sleep, and boost brain health. Nutmeg is a warm spice that's perfect in baked goods, soups, and stews. You can also sprinkle it into oatmeal or hot beverages like coffee or tea. Nutmeg requires tropical conditions to thrive, making it difficult to grow indoors. However, you can purchase fresh nutmeg seeds or powdered nutmeg to use. Recommendations: always check for specific herb toxicity if you have pets. Some essential oils from herbs are more concentrated and can be harmful. For human use, moderate amounts of culinary herbs are generally safe, but it's a good idea to avoid high doses of concentrated supplements unless directed by a healthcare provider. Keep pets away from areas where herbs are being grown, especially indoors, to avoid accidental ingestion. Incorporating herbs and spices into your daily routine is a simple and delicious way to boost your health. From the anti-inflammatory benefits of turmeric to the immune-boosting properties of garlic, each of these herbs brings something unique to the table. Plus, growing them at home, whether on your windowsill, balcony, or garden, is a fun and rewarding way to ensure you always have fresh herbs on hand. Which herbs or spices will you start incorporating into your diet? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Lolosap for more health tips and inspiration.